Hello everyone, today we are looking at a beautiful villa with 13,500 square meters of land situated in Trivento, a charming hilltop town located in the province of Campobasso in Molise region, known for its historic center, panoramic views, and authentic Italian atmosphere. Trivento offers all kinds of basic facilities and it is located at approximately 40 minutes from the coast. This villa was built approximately 20 years ago and measures 394 cadastral square meters. It is arranged over 4 floors. A gated private driveway leads us to this large courtyard with several parking spaces, and the main entrance of the property is on the first floor beneath this covered veranda. And as we enter, we immediately find a bright and large living area with lots of natural light. As you can see, the property avails also of air conditioning. And next to the living room, we find the kitchen and dining room with very large windows and also a corner fireplace. Behind the kitchen, we find this practical pantry. And through this door, we can reach the sleeping area on the first floor, where we find this large master bedroom. With a balcony overlooking the garden and the surrounding countryside and hills. Here we find a large bathroom with bathtub. And completes this floor a single bedroom. This elegant staircase takes us to the second floor. Where we will find more bedrooms. This is the first one, it's a double bedroom. And here we have another single bedroom. And here, on the other side of the hallway, we find another double bedroom. and completes this floor a second full bathroom with shower. The property also avails of this room, an attic that now is used as storage space, but it can be converted into additional living accommodation. Now we're going back outside. And we're going to have a look to the garage. The garage has 2 floors. This is the first floor. As you can see, it's big enough to fit 3 cars. And as you can see, it also avails of its own bathroom with bathtub. Since it is big enough and it has 2 floors, this building could be converted into another outbuilding for guests. And now we are at the back of the property because it avails of a self-contained unit with a kitchen with fireplace and traditional wood-burning oven. Here we have a large room that could be used as a double bedroom. And here we have a bathroom. It doesn't avail of a shower right now, but there is the space to install one. And here on the same floor, on the ground floor, we find also the entrance to a cellar equipped with a water tank and a laundry area. Right now we don't have the keys, but you will find the photos of the cellar in the listing. And now we are going to check the ground floor of the garage. Here outside we have also a fireplace. And this is the entrance to the ground floor. Right now it is used as a workshop and storage space. Outside, the property avails of a beautiful maintained garden and also 13,500 square meters of land with a private well, fruit trees, ornamental plants, greenery, creating a peaceful setting with this beautiful panoramic view. And here, on the other side of the ground floor of the same building that hosts the garage, we find a workshop. So the property is in excellent conditions and it is ready to move into with all utilities connected, and the property benefits from central heating, air conditioning, double glazed windows, and is sold fully furnished. If you're interested, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.